Welcome to Drawing with Julie Gwen. This is MerMay 2019.
This is day 17 of MerMay, and the theme is Dinosaur. Alright, Mama, let's get started.
Alright, Miss Molly, this is an unboxing of the Artsnacks travel collection box that I pre-ordered and just got in. This first item is a Japanese watercolor set. Artsnacks in Kuretake Zig, Ganze Tambi watercolors, Iridoro Kabako green set. It's a set of 6. It says it retails for $25.84. And then inside the box it also includes a brush pen and a watercolor brush. And I'll use these items on today's sketch. Then we have a Kuretake Zig Kokoro letter pen, which retails for $7. And then a Darwin HB graphic drawing pencil retails for $1.79. Got an Artsnacks sticker and candy. Then Kuretake Zig's Fudegokochi regular brush pens color set of 4, which retails for $11.78. And then a Kuretake Zig brush writer, which I've got a few of these that I really like, so I was happy to get a purple to add to my collection. They retail for $7.50. Then a pack of Kuretake Zig Atagami paper. There's 20 sheets in here. It retails for $10.49, and it's the perfect size to keep in the travel case. I look forward to using this case this summer because I like to take stuff with me, go to the park, draw outside, so this should be pretty convenient, and it's a perfect size to carry along with you with lots of little pockets.
Okay, Mama, let's make some art here.
So here I'm using the Kuretake Zig brush writer to outline my Dino mermaid design. And of course, when I think of dinosaurs, I think of volcanoes, so why not a couple underwater volcanoes here? And we throw in some coral onto this little dino mermaid. And I'm using the brush pen that came with this travel collection. This watercolor just feels different than the regular watercolor that I use. Like it's almost like it's thicker. But I wanted to make sure I used all the colors in this set. I don't think that this watercolor set's something I would actually keep in the travel collection. Probably put it on the side. Of all these colors, the one I like the best is this gold metallic, which is just beautiful. It's really shiny. But when I want a watercolor travel collection, I would want something with more colors that's still compact, and I have a number of different sets that are better for that, but they will still fit in that section of the travel case, so I'm just going to swap them out. For these purposes, it's nice this comes with a couple different shades of green that I can color in this dinosaur with. Here I'm using the Zig brush pen in purple, which is really pretty. It's a nice vibrant purple color. And I went in with this blue, but I did a really light wash with it since it's such a darker blue color. And then added some depth with the darker blue. Then I went back over with that Zig green brush pen to add some shading. And this is my white Zig brush pen that I already had, that I went over and gave some accents, some nice shiny accents to it. And finally I added some Wink Stella to give it a nice glittery shine. And here is my finished Dino Mermaid. Let me know what you think in the comments below.
Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.